Hello everyone, welcome to Wiki Procedure Info channel. Today we shall see the application procedure for linking Aadhaar card to mutual funds in Sikkim. The link which I am highlighting now is also provided in description below. If clicked on it, the official web page will be opened. On the top right corner, you can see the select language option. If clicked on it, the list of language options for this procedure will be available. You can choose any desired language as per your convenience. This procedure can either be applied in person or applied through email or applied through SMS. For applying in person, the applicant has to approach the respective mutual fund office. They have to obtain the application form from the office and fill it up with all the necessary information. The applicant must carry both photocopy and original of the document that is mentioned under the required document section of this page. The applicant has to attach the photocopy of the document along with the application form and then submit it at the office. Document needed for this procedure is Aadhaar card. Once the application form is submitted, there is no fee for this procedure. The application will be processed, and once the process is completed, the applicant will be intimated via SMS on their mobile number. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying through email, the applicant must reach out to the respective mutual fund office website online. Under the contact us option on the website, the applicant must check for the official email address of the mutual fund office. Then they have to compose an email along with the Aadhaar number and mutual fund number requesting the office to link the Aadhaar card with the mutual fund. The applicant must attach the scanned virtual copy of Aadhaar card along with the email and click on send option. There is no fee for this procedure. After receiving the application, the concerned authority will check the application and document set and then process the application. Once the process is completed, the applicant will be intimidated via SMS or as a reply to the same email. This entire process will be done within a week. For applying to SMS, the applicant must type a message in the format of capital ADRLNK space applicant PAN number space Aadhaar number space Y. They have to send the SMS to plus 91 921 299 3399. The officer will check the process by the given Aadhaar number. All the updates will be sent via SMS to the applicant's mobile number. There is no fee for this procedure. This entire process will be done within a week. That's all for this procedure. If you found it informative, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.